Hi, English 9B. We're looking at interrogative pronouns today. So when I think about interrogative, the word reminds me of interrogative questions. So interrogative pronouns are the words at the very beginning of those questions, including who, whose, whom, which, and what. So who plays tennis? Whose is that bike? Whom did you call? Which came first? What is the answer? We're going to focus on using who and whom correctly. The interrogative pronouns who and whom are often confused. Study these examples and they will help you to understand how to use who and whom correctly. Please go ahead and highlight this. Use who as the subject of the verb. Okay, so again, going back to my previous videos, you really need to make sure that you can recognize where the subject, verb, and objects are in a sentence. So that really kind of plays into this part. Who is coming today? Is your verb, okay? Your subject is the main actor of the sentence. Again, in a normal order, your subject comes before the verb. So who is in the subject spot, and that way we know it is correct. Who is coming today? Who gave you that sweater? Gave is the verb, okay? The main actor is who. Who is in the subject spot. Highlight, use whom as the direct object of the verb and as the object of the preposition. Whom were you describing? Whom did Jim call? With whom did you dance? To whom was she talking? All right, so this might be a little bit tricky based on those definitions alone. Let's try another way to think about this. If I was to go back to who, and I was going to replace the word who in this sentence with another subject. Let's use the other pronouns he or she. Maybe that would make more sense to you. He is coming today. She is coming today. So my hint here is if you can replace who with he or she in a declarative statement and it makes sense, then you've used it correctly. With whom, if you can answer the question with the pronouns him or her and it answers it correctly, then you've done it correctly. Whom were you describing? I was describing him. Who did Jim call? Jim called her. With whom did you dance? I danced with her. To whom was she talking? She was talking to him. So again, if you can answer the question with using the pronouns him or her, and it makes sense, then you used whom correctly. Exercise. Circle the correct interrogative pronoun from the two given in the parentheses. 1. Who or whom recorded that recorded that album? Who recorded that album? He recorded that album. 2. At who or whom did the bus driver yell? At whom did the bus driver yell? The bus driver yelled at him. 3. Who or whom ate all the banana bread? He ate all the banana bread. So the answer is who. 4. Who or whom did Emily invite to the dance? Whom did Emily invite to the dance? Emily invited him. 5. To who or whom did Eva pass the ball? To whom did Eva pass the ball? Eva passed the ball to him. 6. Who or whom plays first base? He plays first base. So the correct answer is who. We'll do some more practices on the following slides in the PowerPoint.